Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. This is a really quick clip. I wanted to do a quick get ready with me video today, focusing on some of the high-end makeup products that I recently purchased. No new to the market products, but as we all know, the Sephora VIB sale, VIB appreciation sale, whatever they called it, just happened, and I didn't have a haul or anything, but I did pick up something that had been on my wish list that is currently on sale on the Sephora website. It is a Viseart Dark Matte palette, so I wanted to do a quick get ready with me look today featuring this palette, which I love, absolutely love. And in the video, with the exception of I think 2 products, all I've used is high-end makeup because I decided why not, let's have a bit of fun with it today. So please keep on watching if you want to see how the look turned out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo. If you have been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time, welcome. Thank you for coming. Thank you for checking me out. Please click the subscribe button below. Click the notification button below. My channel has a heavy focus on luxury items. I love to talk about luxury items like my niece BB here in the back, and I also like to talk about luxury makeup such as the absolutely, I cannot open it, the fabulous Viseart, and I hope I'm saying that right, Dark Mattes palettes, which I have here for you guys to see. So I did this look here today. I focus on high-end products, of course, like the Viseart palette and my beloved La Mer Soft Fluid foundation. So if you'd like to see how this look turned out, please watch on. Also guys, I just wanted to say quickly, if you've been here before, I know I haven't posted in a while. I've kind of been feeling that ennui, that YouTube fatigue that we've all been going through a little bit lately. And I needed to take a quick break, so that is what I did. I'm back. I have some new videos I'm going to be filming for you guys today. Let me know what you would like to see. I have an unboxing, but I don't think I'm going to post that, to be honest with you guys. I just don't. And I have some other chit-chatty, like opinion type videos that I'll be posting soon, so I hope you guys will come back to check those out. But for today, let's move on. Let's focus on this look here. I hope you like it. I wanted to do something real easy and light for the day. It's a neutral, but I've used a blue. It's a smoky eye look, focusing on the dark blue matte that's in the palette. I used 3 shades. I think it would be easy to create. And if I was in a super rush, I wouldn't even use the 3rd color. I would just stick to 2. But I think it's an easy daytime smoky eye look that we could all do. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Because let's be honest, I'm not a makeup artist. And so getting started, guys, I am using my Guerlain L'Or primer. This is the one with the gold flecks in it. I spread it over my cheeks and my forehead to just get a good base for when I get around to the foundation. I like to have it set a little bit. And then I will be using my NYX NYX eyeshadow base. I like to spread the eyeshadow base with my fingers. I find warming it up helps it spread a little bit and makes it a little bit more tacky. Now, I know my brushes looked a little dirty, but don't worry about it. It's because I had tried out the look before I started filming. So first I'm going in with that orange color in the Viseart Dark Mattes palette. And let me tell you guys, the individual shadows do not have names. So I'm just going to go with what the color looks like. Next, I am going in with a brown color. So I use the orange as like a base, and then I'm building it up with this brown color. I have hooded eyelids, which means basically that if I just keep the powder, the color in the crease, my hooded eyelid just eats it up. So I have to create a false crease and do that over the crease. So last I'm going in with the dark blue color, and I'm just spreading it out a little bit. Once I started putting this on, I realized I was using the wrong brush. I should have used a more flat brush that would have allowed me to pack on the blue a little better. But since I was already committed to this brush, I just kept going. But the blue, it was a little harder to blend, but it was really not as bad as it looks. and I went back in with the brown to kind of soften the edges. I'm going back in now with the orange because if there's one thing we've learned, blend, blend, blend. So I'm kind of going to do the other eye really quickly. I actually did this eye better, but silly me, I kept cutting myself off. So I thought it was kind of funny. But the orange first, and then the brown, and then the blue in the smoky part. So the most of the lid is the blue color. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like right here, right now. Not too bad. And now we are going to go back to the face, right? Yeah. I was watching Wayne Goss and he was doing this triangle type of look to do a concealer underneath his eyes and then blending it in from there. So I'm not a young girl. I can't do the big triangle underneath the eyes without it looking dry. Oops, almost dropped something. So now I have to do less concealer. I really should have color corrected first because yes, I can see the bags under my eyes, but you know, it is what it is. So I just went in with concealer, and I really find that the less concealer that I use, which this Wayne Goss method allows me to do, is way better, and it's just cleaner. It's not as brightening as the looks you'll see here on YouTube and Instagram, but if you just want an easy day look, then personally I find the less concealer, the better. Just what's needed. Although I do end up adding more later, but for now, just enough to make me look non-scary. And next I'm going to go in with my new favorite, second favorite foundation, the La Mer Soft Fluid Foundation. This is the crazy foundation that is $110, and I'm sorry, but I have to say I love it. I'm spraying my beauty blender here with the Scandinavia mist, and guys, this foundation just it's so blendable. It's a great color for me. I'm so glad La Mer expanded their color range, and it's just one of those that I think makes my skin looks really flawless, and it's so easy. Like I don't have to think about it, and so for me, that is the kind of foundation I like and appreciate. So it's really become one of my holy grail foundations. Is it worth $110? You know, watch my video because I do have a video where I compare it to another high-end foundation, the Chanel foundation, which is half the price and also still pricey. But you know, it makes you wonder, is it really worth double the price? But check out that video. I'll link it down below or add an iCard up above. But you can see the blendability and spreadability and that it just works. It just works. Okay, blend, 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 blend some more, blend, blend. Sorry. And then I'm gonna go in a little bit with a little bit more concealer. There we go. Just a little bit more, just to, you know, again, like I said, I don't like to do heavy concealer because I don't want it creasing underneath my eyes. And my skin there tends to be a little dry. So I know there's a trick where you put a little bit of oil right there before you put on your concealer. I've done that here and there. It works, but I'm not quite there yet. I find that spreading it around, making sure I've blended it into my skin really helps to set my concealer and make it look good. So I'm coming in now with just to do my eyebrows. I just got my eyebrows waxed actually like the day before I did this video, so they were looking pretty decent on their own. I don't like heavily drawn on eyebrows. I just like to have them clean and neat. So I'm just using a little brush to fill in a couple of gaps I have here and there. And that is about it. And then I brush them out, try to make sure they still look natural. I love the fall brows.
I'm so happy that mine have grown back because they were abused when I was younger. They sure were. And then I'm going to go back in with a little bit of concealer to just clean up the edges there. And this is when I noticed that the little fluffy part of my concealer brush has fallen into the concealer. So I mean, this is an Estee Lauder concealer, guys. I've been using this double wear concealer for years, and I've never had that happen. It kind of just shocked me, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with that, but I guess it's time to move on to a new concealer or get a, repurchase or something. It's like, what is happening? Then I'm gonna line my eyes. I got the Clinique eyeliner here, and I've been so impressed with this. I've used Kat Von D, I've used Marc Jacobs, and this, I think I got it in a Sephora play box. So, it wasn't something I went looking for, but I am definitely going to go out and look for this eyeliner. It's easy, the brush has stuck together, it sticks, it stays, so I'm loving it. I think in the same Sephora sample box or somewhere along the line, I also got this Clinique mascara. I love Clinique mascaras. Especially the, oh, I forgot the name. I'll have to find the name and link it down below. But I got a little sample, and I always use the Clinique samples up. I have the full sizes as well because I love them. But this is what was handy. And since this is for me a daytime look, I'm not going to put on falsies or anything. It's very rare I put on falsies because I need help. I need help with the falsies, people. But I love this mascara because it's thick, it's wet, it's goopy, and it makes them look really good. And then, yeah, a little bit of blush. Since I used that orange color as part of the eyeshadow look, I've decided to go with a little bit of orange blush. That's from my Guerlain blush there. I'll link it down below. It was one of those like Four Seasons contour kits or something. And then I'm going to do this Chanel Alezzaine blush on top. It's one of the ones from Chanel that does have a little shimmer in it. So I find that it's good to give a little shimmer and not a full-on highlight, but just enough to cover and give a little shimmer. That's the lip liner. And this is my lipstick, also from Chanel. Like I said, I'm mainly using high-end products in this one. So it's a nice shimmery. It's a nude, but it has a little bit of shimmer. I want the focus to remain the eyes. And last in this look is my holy grail powder. It's the Mer the Powder, which is translucent, but this is the color beige. And I'm so sorry, guys, because this is no longer available. It has been discontinued, but it is still the best foundation, and I mean the best powder, so I have to use it. I just have to use it. And I'm using my Chico Huda brush there. So yeah, so that's the look. I hope you guys liked it, and it's just me going about my day. I think I had a wax appointment, so I had to get done.
So thank you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for coming back. Again, please subscribe, hit the subscription button, check out some of my other videos. Go ahead and hit the bell so you know when you've been notified. And hit the bell so you can be notified I've posted a new video. And as always, always, always a life lesson that I think behooves us all. Choose happiness every day, every moment, every second. It is a choice. It is a choice. And choose happiness. Thanks so much for checking me out, guys. I'm Ahhhsoneo. If you needed a quick reminder, with the fabulous Viseart Dark Mattes palettes. It's available other places other than Sephora because I think it might have sold out, but check. Muse Beauty Pro will have it, and so will Beautylish. So, thanks, guys.